Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change country in Coinbase. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can simply change country in Coinbase. So let's get started. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Coinbase app or log on to your website, which is if you want to use the desktop version, just go to coinbase.com, then sign in to your account using your email and password. Then from there, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, which is for the app. Then for the website, just click on the profile icon, then select settings from the menu. Then in the settings, click on personal information or profile selection. Then look for the country/region feed. Then note that changing your country may not be allowed if your account is verified with document from your current country. So if eligible, click on change country or update country region. Then after that, select your country from the drop-down menu, then enter new address and received and any required details. Then after that, you may be asked to verify your identity using valid document from the new country, passport or ID or a residence permit. Then complete the identity verification process as prompted. You may need to update your payment method to match your new country, and also go to payment method in settings and add new bank account or card if required. Then double check the information and save your changes. Then log out, then log in back to ensure country change is updated. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply change country in Coinbase. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.